Hey guys! Welcome back on my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, hello po, my name is Ybeth and I hope that you will enjoy your stay here on my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to try the most effective home whitening system kit. This is from HydroWhite Premium Teeth Whitening System and isa na siyang buong kit. So lahat-lahat na kailangan natin para paputiin yung ngipin natin, nandito na siya. So if you guys are into teeth whitening, pag feeling nyo medyo yellowish na yung teeth ninyo and wala kayong time para magpunta sa dentist or wala kang time, wala kang budget, and gusto mong mag-switch sa home whitening kit na pwede mo namang magawa sa bahay anytime, this video is perfect for you. Please keep on watching. Okay, so zoom in ko lang guys because I'm going to show you yung laman nitong HydroWhite Premium Teeth Whitening System Kit. So ito yung box niya and ito yung pinaka-front, and as you can see, nakalagay lang sa front is HydroWhite Premium Teeth Whitening System, and then dito naka-indicate na yung blue light is for teeth whitening and then yung red light is for gums. Better health ng gums. So ito yung maganda sa kit na to, 2-in-1 kit na siya. Professional whitening, safe and effective, premium quality. And then on the side, makikita nyo lang yung HydroWhite, yung pinaka-brand. Ayan, and then yung logo. And then sa likod ng box, makikita nyo lang yung mission and values ng HydroWhite brand. And then yung packaging niya is parang yung mga box ng mga phone. So all you just need to do is to lift up yung parang pinaka-cover ng box. And then, voila! So, ito na yung pinakalaman ng Premium Teeth Whitening System Kit natin. So, first is yung user manual. And then, meron silang parang yung pinaka-legend para makita mo yung scale ng color ng teeth mo. I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo, pero ayan. Scale of 1 to 15. 1 yung pinaka-white na, yung parang veneer. And then, 15 is yung pinaka-yellowish. So, they call this Professional 3D Teeth Shade Guide. So, inside the box, makikita na natin yung pinaka-device or yung pinaka-machine. So, ito siya. So, ito yung pinaka-mouthpiece. So, ito yung kakagatin natin mamaya. And then magnetic siya. So, para lang siyang may stand. And meron siyang case. So, hindi siya naka-expose and hindi siya ganun ka-prone sa bacteria. Yung kanyang charging kit is nasa labas. So, ayan. Don't worry guys, meron na siyang kasamang charger. And then, pag nilift natin yung first layer, nandito na yung pens. Ito yung mga gel pens. Ito yung ilalagay natin mamaya sa teeth before natin kagatin yung device. Okay, so let's begin by checking kung ano na yung current shade ng teeth ko. And medyo nakakahiya, pero okay lang, i-check natin. 1 yung whitest, and then 15 yung pinaka-yellowish. Okay, so from shade of 1 to 10, parang around 4 or 5. Disclaimer lang guys, once to twice lang po ako nakaka-visit ng dentist kasi super hectic ng schedule ko. Kaya I'm really into home teeth whitening kits like this. So yan, after nating ma-check yung shade ng teeth natin, the first step is to rinse or bandawan ninyo yung inyong LED light or yung inyong mouthpiece, which is ito, and then yung inyong mouth. Which is, syempre, nagawa ko na before kung i-film tong video na to. Our next step is to twist yung gel whitening pen. So, maglalagay na tayo ng gel sa ating teeth. So, very easy lang to use yung gel pen nila. Para lang talaga siyang ball pen na i-open mo. And then, all you just need to do is to twist. Lalabas na sa dulo yung gel. Ilalagay natin sa teeth natin. So, let's start. Excited na ako. Okay, tapos na akong mag-gargle and tapos ko na din i-rinse tong mouthpiece kung saan nagkakaroon or lumalabas yung LED light natin. And can I just say that it's very comfortable. Like I swear, I'm really expecting na kapag hinagat ko na siya, within 15 minutes, parang, alam mo yung maglalaway ako, increase yung production ng saliva. and baka mangalay ako ng sobra kasi 15 minutes. Pero no guys, it's very comfortable. 15 minutes, parang nakakagat lang ako sa parang chewing gum. And then yung gel from Whitening pen, hindi siya mapakla. Alam mo yung wala siyang lasa na hindi mo magugustuhan. Hindi siya masama sa panlasa. Unlike ng mga ibang gel na na-try ko before. Gusto ko lang i-highlight guys na itong mouthpiece kung saan lumalabas yung LED line is nandito yung pinaka-on and off button. So, i-on mo lang siya and as you can see kanina, automatically siyang magti-turn off after 15 minutes. Again, blue light for teeth whitening, red light for protecting or for your gums. Kung gusto nyong ma-improve yung health or yung circulation ng blood sa gums niyo, magre-red light kayo. Super easy lang niyang i-rinse kasi nga, nare-remove or na-detach siya dito sa parang pinaka-case. Eto na. I swear, hindi ko pa chinek yung ngipin ko after kong gawin yung session or yung treatment ngayon pa lang. So, kanina, shade 4 to 5 ako and oh my gosh! Okay guys, nag-light siya ng 1 shade lighter. Like, I swear. Especially sa lower part. Eto, talagang nag-whiten siya ng 1 shade in just 1 use. This is my first use, guys. I swear. This is the first time na ginamit ko siya. And okay, so the original plan is to use it today. To try it today. And then, sana gagamitin ko siya ng at least 1 week to check kung meron siyang changes or effect talaga. Or sa mga na-try ko mga whitening kits or whitening pens before, 1 week or 2 weeks, makikita mo yung changes. But I'm really amazed with this HydroWhite Premium Teeth Whitening System. Itong mga gel na to, itong buong kit na to. I'm really amazed na in just 1 try, on my first use, na na-light niya yung most parts na ngipin ko in just 1 try. Okay, so let me know guys on the comment section below if gusto nyo i-try natin din siya for 1 week or 2 weeks na everyday and malaman natin kung ilang shade niya talagang kayang i-lighten yung teeth natin if everyday natin siyang ginamit. Don't worry guys, it's very safe. It uses gentle light lang. So it's time for my final verdict. And guys, this is an honest review. Palagi kong sinasabi sa inyo sa mga videos ko. Sponsored man or hindi, padala man or hindi, I always say my honest feedback sa isang product or sa isang service. Okay, so the first thing is that I am really amazed that this HydroWhite Premium Teeth Whitening System or kit is a complete set. So, I know na normally kapag sinabi mong set or kit, dapat talaga kompleto. Pero I'm just really amazed with this kit na talagang yung pinaka-mouthpiece niya, merong charging port, meron na rin kasamang charger, then yung mouthpiece, madaling linisan, magnetic with the case, and then very hygienic na meron pa siyang cover. And then, hindi lang isa yung kasama niyang gel pen. Meron na siyang 4 gel pens in 1 kit. So, magagamit niyo siya na hindi lang just 1 month. I think pwede to 4 to 5 months. Depende sa inyo kung gano'n nyo siya kadalas gagamitin sa bahay. I also love the fact na hindi lang natin siya pwedeng gamitin for teeth whitening. Pwede rin siyang for gum protection. Second, it's very affordable for a complete set. You can purchase it in Shopee or Lazada online stores. I will just put the link below and all the details regarding this premium teeth whitening system kit. So, it's very easy to use. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa dentist mo. Hindi mo kailangan mag-schedule. Ang kailangan mo lang magkaroon ka ng 15 to 20 minutes. And then you're all good. Pwede mo siyang gamitin sa bahay mo kung kailan ka free. And then like what I mentioned kanina sa mouthpiece, it's very comfortable. Yung gel pen, walang sting, walang any spicy or uncomfortable feeling or unwanted taste. And para ka lang talaga nakakagat sa chewing gum. And most of all, hindi ko na siya kailangang i-film everyday kasi nga, nagulat ako na in just 1 try, kaya niya magpalighten ng 1 shade. Safe to use and it has a premium quality. I swear, kompleto siya. And then compared to other whitening pens or kits na na-try ko before, it's really different. And talagang mara-recommend ko siya sa inyo guys. So if you wanna try out and purchase, just check my description box below. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link for Shopee or Lazada. And then if you do, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!